Today's weather is unbearably hot. Both my handkerchief and shirt are so wet.
The weather recently is scorching hot to the extent that it's turning into a crisis. Currently, Malaysia is experiencing a heat wave, which is expected to last till August year 2023 according to news reports. What's more, an 11-year-old child died from heat stroke in Kelantan a month ago, striking the headlines of many newspapers recently. This is a pressing issue because it directly poses a threat to our health and well-being, which is why we need to find ways to cool down our bodies.
Wow, I feel so cool with the fan. Wait, why is it not working again?
One such method is by using a portable mini fan. But this time, we present to you mini fans with a twist. Most mini fans run on electricity and thus cannot function. To support us, so we can dwell further in improving and improvising on the mechanical fan. Thank you.